If you're finding that you're squeezed for storage space and could use a little extra room in your home, a 5x5 storage unit may be just what you need. Similar in size to a hall closet or half bathroom, the storage unit is approximately 5 feet by 5 feet and 8 feet tall. That's 200 cubic feet of space. It's the perfect size for storing boxes, small furniture such as lamps or end tables, and miscellaneous items like sports gear, holiday decorations, or winter outerwear. Your 5x5 storage unit can help when changing out your seasonal home decor or switching out winter hockey gear for your kayak in the summer. You'll find what you need at CubeSmart with nationwide locations offering storage units of various sizes, climate-controlled storage options, drive-up access, and vehicle storage, all at competitive storage prices. Whether you're decluttering or simply making a positive change, we're here to offer a fresh start with the best customer service in the self-storage industry, a clean building, and providing peace of mind that you have chosen the right self-storage company. Our team of award-winning customer service professionals is waiting to welcome you and help you determine the storage options that are right for you. Because at CubeSmart, it's what's inside that counts.